Here's how to fix TikTok not opening. So in this tutorial, I'm going to exactly show you some ways on how you can fix TikTok which is not opening, and by the end of this video, your TikTok will be fixed and you'll be able to use it. So the first step is very simple. Just, open up your swipe bar and just close TikTok and then reopen it just like that. And it should work. If it's not working, what you need to do is just go to your settings. Once you're inside settings, just go to general and then iPhone storage, and you just basically need to clear its cache data if you're on Android device, but on iPhone you just need to find TikTok and then press offload app and simply offload it, and after offloading just reinstall it. My TikTok is running very smooth, so I don't want to ruin or change it, but if your TikTok is like not opening and you want to fix it, just go ahead and do this. It will fix it. But if it's still not fixing, what you need to do is just go to your Safari and type in is TikTok down, and go to down detector and it will show you according to your country. And here, as you can see, TikTok has been working. But yeah, if it's not, if the the graph is down, it means that TikTok is down and it's not your app problem, it's the server problem. And yeah, this is pretty much it on how you can fix TikTok not opening. So I hope this video actually helped you out. Please do leave a like, drop a comment, and subscribe to this channel. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.